Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my braised pork neck bone stew, okay, in a pressure cooker. All right, let me show you the ingredients that we got. We got some potatoes right here, some red and like Yukons potatoes right here. These are little small ones, okay. I got 4 stalks of celery right here. I got about 10 or 15 little baby carrot. I got like a half an onion. You can use a whole onion. I just want to go ahead and use this because I can't chop it up and put it in there. But you guys welcome to chop y'all's up and put it in there. I got about 5 garlic cloves right here. I have a pound of fresh green beans right here. I have some tomato paste right here. I'm gonna use a half a can of this. Right here is some beef broth. You can use beef broth or vegetable broth. This is about a cup of red wine right here. I got 2 cans of stewed tomatoes right here. And I got seasoning. I'm gonna go with some coriander, some garlic salt, some black pepper, some red crushed pepper, some thyme, just grounded thyme, and some onion powder, okay? All right guys, let's go ahead, and these are my pork neck bones. This is roughly like about 4 pounds of it. I washed those off and everything, so we're just gonna go ahead and start slicing and dicing. Now with these green beans right here, now I bought these fresh in the bag from my local store and stuff like that. See how they got that little stem on there right there? You want to like break that off, okay? Well, I just take my fingernail and break it off just like that. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish rinsing this off. And I'm chopping up these carrots and celery and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Go ahead and start on these carrots. I want them kind of thick. I'll probably cut them in 3s, like so. And yes, I will be putting those in the pot with that. Celery. Only thing we're not putting in there right now is our green bean, because the green bean they'll get kind of mushy. We don't want no mushy green beans. All right, I'm gonna throw those in the pot. Garlic. I'm just slicing them down. You can slice yours thin as you want. Just roughly chopping. Nothing special at all. Alright. Put that in the pot. Here's my pot right here, guys. You're like, where are you putting the pot at? Where's the pot at? So we'll just put that in there. Chop this part off. Just like so. We can't. Yeah, I can get it out. You can take this and just sit those in there. Nest those in there. Just like so. Alright. Now, come with our seasoning. Some red pepper flakes, about half a teaspoon maybe. These depending on how hot you like yours. This is some cayenne, not cayenne, this is some thyme. Probably about half a teaspoon. Granulated onion. Now you know I'm gonna put a whole bunch of that in there, so that's gonna be about a teaspoon and a half. Alright, black pepper, teaspoon with that. I like black pepper, guys. I'm sorry. You can use less if you want to. Alright. We got some coriander. Probably about half a teaspoon. Just like that. Alright. Now the garlic salt. This is where my salt gonna be at. Probably a tablespoon of this. I like to go like this. Make sure all the seasoning is in there. Okay. Now, we're gonna come in here with our beef broth. Make sure that's open. I'm gonna put this whole entire thing up in here. Trust me, you guys gonna love this one. And if you think I'm playing a game with you, make the recipe. Make the recipe. Yes, make it. And I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Now I have my red wine. This is a cup. Just put that all over there. Like so. Ooh, that's it. Oh, my red wine is gone, dog. Alright. So, we're going to take our pressure cooker. My pressure cooker right here. Let me adjust that camera for you. So I'm going to take this, put it right up in there. I have a cord down here. Here's my cord. Just going to plug this up, fam. Just like so. We're going to cook this for, I want to say about good 45 minutes. Hold on for a second, guys. I forgot one other thing that I want to put in here, and that was these stewed tomatoes. Alright, fam, I'm back. Just open up these cans. You just want to dump those up in there. Put these in here. So that's how that looks. Alright. And we're going to put this lid on here. If I can put it on here right. Just like so. I think that's the chicken button right there, is it not? Nope. So here's the chicken button. We're going to go 40 minutes. And when that gets done, I'll show you how that looks inside. And we're going to chop up our potatoes and our green beans. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, this stuff should be done. Well, still got to release a little bit more steam. Got a lot of pressure in there. There we go. Ew. Now, first thing I want to do is get out these onions, because I don't want no problems with no one. I'm like, I got onions in mine. I don't see what the big deal is. Onions is good for you. I'm just going to take those out. Give this a quick stir. See if I can show you that. That's how that looks. Alright, first thing we want to do, take a little of this tomato paste. And I did want some corn in mine for some odd reason. I just want to go old school on it. This is how my mom used to make hers. I'm going to take me like half of that. Okay. I'm just going to put that in there. Stir it up a little bit in there. Boy, I'm trying to tell you. Go way back. I did a little twist with the wine. They don't normally put wine in theirs, but I just know it tastes better with the wine. So, you know, to each his own. Now, this is for those that like neck bone. You can do this also with beef neck bones. Or beef. So, okay, that's that. I want to come in here with my potatoes. Here's my potatoes. Put those in there. Stir this around up in here. Come in here with a little corn. So like a 1/4 cup of corn. Give that a mix as well. Yep, braised pork neck bone stew. All day, every day. This right here, depending on how many people you're trying to feed, will last you a long time. Alright. Come in here with some of my green beans. I'm going to leave some of them whole, like longer. Some of them I break in half. This is what we call living. Soul food. Southern style stew. No doubt about it. If you don't believe me, try it. I guarantee you're going to thank me for it. I promise you. You're going to be like, oh my God, VELDOGG up in here doing up too much. He's just doing too much. I love flavor. I did a couple of repasts for my nephew and my auntie. That's why I haven't been on YouTube like I have been. I've been going through a lot of emotional stress. And I believe I said it on one of my other videos. So you may be hearing me say that again. So just pray for me, guys. I really want to be on here doing this for you guys. You know, and for my family. So they can have something to go on when I kick the bucket. Not to saying I'm wanting to kick the bucket anytime soon, but don't nobody live forever. And that's just the truth. Let me show you how that looks without spilling all the juice. So that's pretty much how that looks right now. I'll put this lid on here and cook this for about a good 10 more minutes. And let it rest for about 15 minutes. And we'll be all done. No doubt about it. Okay. 15 minutes. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back with this braised pork neck bone stew. Alright, let me show you how that looks up close. Alright, I put that down. It's hot. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Oh wow. Ooh, that is good. Super good. Hold on, let me taste that. Give it a little taste. Get that bite right there, fam. I'll taste it for you. That's super good. So guys, if you want to try this recipe, you're welcome to try it. I'm just giving you something to go on. So guys, please like this video, share it out, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love. Happy cooking.